Hello, foster family. We're happy to see you today. I'm Sheila Donaldson, Program Manager, Foster Care and Adoption Resource and Support.
And hi, this is Kamanya Omatete. I'm Kamanya Omatete, Foster Care Program Manager over the case carrying staff.
We just wanted to take a moment today to talk to you about how much we appreciate you every day, but particularly in the month of May. You're on our minds as it's Foster Care Month, and we like to focus on appreciating our foster parents in May. So Kamanya, we were talking the other day about our foster families, and I remember you said something really meaningful about how much our foster parents mean to you.
Definitely, and especially during this time, Sheila, for the pandemic, we just want to say that we are very thankful for you. I say this all the time. You are blessed, and we are blessed to have you, because not everyone can take children who they may not know, or it could be their family member, but take children into their home and really treat them as their own and do everything you would do for your own child or family member. So we just definitely want to thank you, because you are really blessed, and we just are very thankful and blessed to have you part of our team.
Yes, I totally echo what Kamanya said. We couldn't do this without you all. Kamanya and I look at all of our children as in foster care as our kids, and who we place our children with need to take care of our kids and nurture them and help them grow and develop. And we see that in what you all do in caring for our kids, and we couldn't do it without you. We just are amazed every day at the sacrifices you make for our kids, the intentionality you place in nurturing them, and that you understand the impact you have on their future. And we know that it is a commitment, and we know that there are days where you are struggling, and it is easier to throw in the towel and be like, I can't do this anymore. But you all know what that does to kids, and you all stay committed every day, and you put the blood, sweat, and tears into it, and we are just amazed by you every day.
Definitely, and we wish we could be in person to celebrate you, but of course, due to the pandemic, we are not in person. But we definitely want you to know that we are celebrating you virtually this year. And we definitely look forward to next year, that we hope that we all can get back together in person. So we can, if it gives high fives, we may not shake hands no more, or hugs, or whatever we need to do. We definitely want to let you know that we're thinking about you, and the children in your home, and your own children and family. So we don't want you to just think that we're just thinking about the children in foster care, but we want you to know that we are thinking about you and your entire family during this time, and the support your family, your children, your extended family members gives to you while supporting our children in care. So just thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we send you a virtual hug and hope to see you soon.
Take care.